Hola familia. So today I'm going to go over how to install Ruby and Ruby on Rails. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you want to do is download Ruby on Windows. So let's go ahead and click on download. Let's go to the latest version. Also just check to make sure that your computer is 64 minus. There's also version 68 or 86, sorry. Yes, I accept the license. We don't need this. Let's just click next. Then you wait. Ta-da, finish. And then it says run RIDK install to set up my sys2. Let's go here. Okay, so the ones that you really need is 1 and 3. However, I'm just going to go ahead and hit enter. And there we go. Exit. And now to see if you have Ruby installed, just type Ruby, then V. Great. Now we have it installed. Next step. Go to, here, let's close this. Let's go to getting started with Rails. Okay. Let's see, is it this one? Okay, and then this one's version 5.0. So I wasn't sure which one to follow, really. But I'm gonna go ahead and follow this one. So check that you have these 3 things. So we already checked Ruby. To check SQLite 3, you go here, SQLite 3, and then there you go. We have SQLite version. I think the other way you can do it actually is SQLite 3 and then version. SQLite 3 version. There we go. Next thing we're going to do is check for Nodejs. If you don't already have it installed, you would go to, actually I already have it here. Go here, go to download. Actually it doesn't matter. You can go either one. I'm going to downloads. You go here, Windows installer, you click it, and then something like this should pop up, in which you would just click next. There's also going to be an option for Chocolatey. You might want to install that. Depends on how useful do you think it is. I'm going to show you guys what Chocolatey is. Gonna go ahead and go here, and actually this is where you just Google it. What is Chocolatey? There you go, handy video on what is Chocolatey. I'll go ahead and leave this in the description. So yeah, and then once you finish downloading and installing Node, to check that it is installed, you go to node-v. Ta-da, that is my version right now. And then you would also need to download Yarn, as said right here. So then you would just go to Yarn and actually hold on. Wrong Yarn. Yarn programming. There you go. Yarnpackage.com. Except not package, PKG. Okay, and then to check that that's installed, you just go yarn-v. Ta-da. Okay, next thing. Let's see, installing Rails. So check that, check that, check that, And wait, it's going too fast. Okay, so now you need to do gem install Rails. Gem install Rails. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's an error. Last version, one moment. Error install Rails, last version of to support your Ruby on, try installing with gem, and then run the current command. Okay, let's follow the instructions. Okay, so here's what we're actually gonna do. We're gonna upgrade. I think we're gonna do this. Rails app update. Copy. Paste. Give it a moment. Okay, now let's try this command. Rails version to check the version. Ta-da! And we got Rails version 5001. Is that the latest version? Hope it's the latest version. Don't think that's the latest version. Ooh, okay, wait. Upgrading from Rails 5.2 to Rails 6.0 Webpacker. Okay, let's try this. Did not work.
Okay, so that's the.
Okay, we're gonna copy this guy.
Command to install Rails without document. Gem install Rails space -no document. So here we go. It's going to install the gems and going to set it up. And once it's done, I'll be back. Alrighty, thank you for your patience. You can see it says.
Okay, let's go ahead and Google the error. Boo-boo. What, I gotta install Nodejs? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this. I'm going to uninstall Rails completely and let's see if this works. Alright, so which Rails? Okay, so which doesn't work? Gem list. Okay, it gives me all of that. How about gem uninstall? And then let's just type in Rails and let's see what happens. Where I am stuck at is that when I just try to install or gem install install, and then I also tried looking for the specific version. So here, let's go back. Ruby gems. When I tried doing this, go here. Oh, maybe I should go here. I hit enter. This is what keeps popping up. Okay. I think you guys saw me before I tried installing this. Copy and paste. And then for the record, copying is left click, pasting is also left click. When you got it, you put it here, you hit enter. I tried this. And then that happens. And it's the same version. It says try installing gem. Oh, something else I tried doing is I tried going to here. Or where was it? There was some place that said site. Went here, I went here, went here, here. Where was it? Gem. I think it was gem. Nope. Bundle. Yep, went here. And I edited it. I cannot seem to find it. I did have to go here at some point because it gave me an error. Here, you know what? Let me try doing what this guy did.
So to create an app, simply say Rails new one. I'm going to click 6. Alrighty, thank you for going to set it. So here once it starts at the document.
For the record, I also tried this too with the no document.
I also have your and I do not want to after installing Rails. So in order to install Rails, you simply say gem install Rails provides you your URL. So otherwise you will. I can also go ahead and list the gems and I can check the Ruby.
Oh, here we go. Yep, I tried this too. IRB. Now I know this is just programming, but hello. Oh, this is different from before too. Hello world. Enter. Hello world. No. Exit. Right. So when I did that the first time, where is it? Go here, site. There was something called site. And then I went inside the libraries or bin, and then there was a way how to change the version from there. I can't exactly find it now. So anyways, the point is, if you know where to solve this, or if you know how to solve this, and or you find the solution in Stack Overflow, because yes, I did go to check Stack Overflow to look up the answer, and please send me the link. Go ahead and comment it below, and that way not only for me but for everybody else that wants to install Ruby on Rails. Sounds good? And this is just part of the learning experience. Have a good day.